Hi students, happy for you. So today now we are going to discuss about a small activity about multiplication and division of rational number, as we already discussed like in closure property. So how we solve the closure property, we are going to discuss a property of small activities. So the numbers which we are going to choose on over here is 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 and 4 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. These two problems only we are going to solve it. One for multiplication, another one for divisions. So what is the main objective for this problem is, the objective of this activity is to understand how to multiple and divide the rational numbers and solve the problem based on the multiplication and divisions in a rational number. That is the objectives. So the required material is, so first you can take the required material is strips of papers, pencil, color papers, and if you have the chocolate or something, you just take it over. So now how to proceed the steps. So we'll go for the step of proceeding. So now take a paper and represent that as 1 unit, A4 sheet or whatever you can take it, and divide the paper of this box into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So each one, the 1 unit I am dividing into 4 equal parts. So now one of the part is representing as 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4. The sum will be 4 by 4, which is nothing but as a 1 unit. Now divide the 4, because the resultant is 1 by 4. Now we divide it over. The second one is 1 by 3. We have to divide by. Now divide the 4 equal part horizontally. Now vertically we divided. Now we are going to divide in the horizontally like 3 parts, represent as a 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. So each parts will be represent 1 by 3. So vertical line will be represent as a 1 by 4, horizontal line will represent as a 3 parts, so 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Now we know that each one of the part, so there will be a 12 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 equal parts, each parts will be represent as 1 by 2, 1 by 12. Each parts will be represented as a 1 by 12. This is the answer. How would you take the answer is? So it's a very simple process. So because we know that, so I'm explaining again. So just for the clarification, take it over. So first we are taken on 1 unit, then we are taking the vertical line into 4 equal parts, then we take a horizontal line for the 3 equal parts. Each one part will be represent 1 by 12 part. To multiple the rational numbers, because we know the resultant of 1 by 4 into 1 by 3, the multiple the rational number in fractions of in the form of simply multiple the numerator and denominator. For example, a by b into c by d is since a into c, ac, b into d, bd. So where b and d are the denominators, so it's a rational number, so denominators are not equal to 0. This is the first activity what you are going to proceed in the thing. The second activities which you are going to for the division is 4 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So how could you proceed that activity? We are going to discuss about it. Take a paper, and divide it into 5 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each one will be 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. So now out of the 5 parts, we have to share the 4 parts, right? So I am sharing the out of 5 parts, I am sharing the 4 parts. This is what I am proceeding. Out of 5 parts, I shared the 4 parts. Okay, fine. Now that is the 5 part. Each part is representing 1 by 5, and that is shaded part will be the 4. It's representing as a 4 by 5. So now you know that this part will be 4 by 5. Total part will be 5. So I'm taking out of the 4 will be 4 by 5. So I'm sharing the parts. Now further, the 4 parts are divided into half. So we are given 1 by 2. The 4 parts are dividing into half, where I represents over here half, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, because we are not supposed to take this, because out of 4 part only we take the dividing into 1 by 2. So now each one will be 8 subparts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 subparts of the 5 original parts. So now the resultant is, what is the resultant? How could you take it over resultants? So now the simple answer is the resultants. Now how could you solve that? I am explaining by just step by steps. Get to know the answers. So here 4 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. I am taking the first unit of full unit. I am dividing the share into 4 parts, dividing into 5 equal parts, and each one I represent the 4 parts. So now I have 5 represent parts. I am dividing into 1 by 2 half. So now will be equal of 8 parts. So how could you take the answer is the division of rational number in a fractional form taken to the refractional, which is nothing but a by b divided by c by d. If you take the resultant, as I know that a, as you know people, a by b division changes some multiplication, reciprocal of the second term. Reciprocal of second term. Reciprocal means interchanging numerator and denominator. So here we are getting the answers d by c. So where b also denominator, d also denominator. Now c also become a denominator. So we know that rational number denominator should not be equal to 0. So now we can get the resultant. Now we got the same format as earlier activity. A into d, AD, B into d, BD, BC. So similar like the same of answers. 4 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. We are getting the resultant as 4 by 5. Changing is 2 by 1. So 4 2s are 8 by 5. That's what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 5 parts. So that's it. So similarly like that, I want to give some more activities to you people. These are the 2 problems. You are going to take activity and you are going to work out and you are going to show to me in the evening classes. Thank you so much. I am waiting for your activity. And for my one more small activity also is coming. Worksheet is coming. Just try to solve today classes. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.